Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your plan and mobile data are active because carriers often block tethering on restricted plans. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient network glitches, then toggle airplane mode to quickly reset radios. Next, open the hotspot settings and enable the hotspot. Create a recognizable SSID and a strong password. This gets the service running and prevents unauthorized access. Make sure you note the band too, 4 GHz versus 5 GHz, so client devices can connect reliably. Now dig into configuration. Check the APN and carrier settings because an incorrect APN can block data sharing even with mobile data active. You should also verify OS permissions. Tethering sometimes requires location or special tether permissions, so grant them. Then choose the hotspot band, 4 GHz for wider compatibility, 5 GHz for better speed nearby. If Wi-Fi clients fail, test USB or Bluetooth tethering to isolate whether the problem is the wireless radio or the carrier data path. To finish, try connecting a second device and run a quick browse test. This verifies credentials and data flow. If the hotspot still won't provide internet, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs. This preserves user data while restoring radios and APN entries. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is provisioned and there are no outages. One key troubleshooting tip. If only Wi-Fi hotspot fails but USB tethering works, the phone's Wi-Fi radio or hotspot band is the likely culprit. Focus repairs there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.